Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Chef B. If you're new to this channel, welcome, wagwan. For today's video, I will be styling this wig from Hergivenhair.com, and this is their Diva cut curly wig, and I'm super excited for how this wig is going to look. So I already cut the lace and the hair is pre-plucked. I did pluck it a little bit more, and yeah, it's just gonna be an easy styling. I'm not doing the ball cap method. I'm just trying to do this as quick as I can because, you know, the simpler applying the wig, the better. So this is how the hair is looking right now. I'm gonna fluff it out and style it later on, but first things first, I just want to lay the frontal just right. So I'll be using Got To Be Glued. So I'm just taking a little bit, like a very thin layer, because I don't want the lace to have too much glue on there. I don't want it to get caked up and all of that. So I'm using a very thin layer because honestly it doesn't need a lot, and I just lay it down like that easy. Now you can tie this down or blow dry it, but I'm gonna tie it down this time just because, you know, I can't with the heat, and I literally tied it down for 5 minutes and it was that quick. Now this hair is absolutely beautiful. You guys saw the end results. I just absolutely love it. I love the cut of it. It gives me a very natural look. When I posted this picture of this hair on my Snapchat and my IG story, everyone absolutely loved it. So I know it was super bomb. And I did a makeup look on this look if you want to check it out in my Get Ready With Me right before this video. I'll leave the link for you guys down below. Now for the hair, you can leave it as is, but sis, I knew this hair would look even better fluffed out. So I'm just separating the curls, not trashing it out too much because I don't want it to be like frizzy, but I want it to have a lot of volume. I want it to be way fuller than it came. So that's basically what I'm doing, just using my fingers to comb out the curls a little bit. I'm not going to use a brush because with the brush it's gonna be too frizzed out, and I absolutely do not want that. Now you can use a pick or a white teeth comb to fluff it out from the roots if you wish to, and that is just to add volume to it. As you guys can see, the hair is already shiny enough, so I won't be adding any extra shining mist to it because I don't want the hair to be weighed down, and I don't want it to look too greasy and anything like that. So I'm just going very simple with this wig. Like, this wig literally can be worn straight out of your packaging, so you don't have to do much to this wig. It's like probably one of the easiest wigs I've had to style, and I absolutely love it. Like, this wig, I style it in probably just 10 minutes, and that was basically it. Now I remove the what's this called, the band from around the lace frontal, and I'm just adding a little bit more Got To Be Glue just to, you know, style the edges a little bit, just to make it look a little bit more natural in the front. I'm not doing anything too crazy. I'm not adding extra baby hair. It's just very simple. Now I'm using this mousse from Cream of Nature just to make that front area there just flat a little bit more. You can style it however you want. I wanted to go for a really deep side part and very free. It wasn't even anything neat or anything like that. Just, I don't even know what to call this, but yeah, this is the end result, and it's absolutely beautiful. I love the cut of the wig, and I did not cut this wig at all. Like, the shape is already made for you, so it is perfect. I didn't have to do the extra work because the wig is already done, sis. Now this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. You can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at damn-chef. All the info you'll need will be in the description box down below. I love you guys so much for watching. Guam, big up on yourself. Bye guys.